Whether you still celebrate these holidays or not, it's certain foods we all gonna be eating around this time of year. So I gotta put y'all on to some healthier ways to enjoy the foods that we all know and love, because this is insanity. I started off with about 5 medium-sized sweet potatoes that I got as a part of the last harvest from my local farm. After peeling them and cutting them, I'm taking a can of light coconut milk to act as the base for my yam sauce instead of using 15,000 pounds of butter. Yes, I said yam sauce even though these sweet potatoes, but y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Instead of using refined sugar, I sweeten my sauce with pitted dates, raw agave nectar, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and nutmeg. I put the measurements for everything I use in the caption below. I blended everything for about 30 seconds before pouring the sauce all over my sweet potatoes. Just look at how those little crushed dates at the end give that brown sugar effect. Beautiful. Once my sweet potatoes were thoroughly coated, I covered it with parchment paper and roasted them in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour until they were nice and tender. And just look at the beauty. These sweet potatoes were actually perfect. No butter, no refined sugar, 100% naturally sweetened. And you know they plant-based, cause what? I served mine with a side of steamed greens and fried okra, and let me tell y'all, this was a 12,000 out of 10. Make sure you stay tuned because we're coming with recipes like this for the rest of this month. Benefit your body.